In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add fuzzy skin in Orca Slicer. Now adding a fuzzy skin can go ahead and basically change the lining of the material on our 3D print right here. To do that, just simply click on your 3D model. In my case, I'm going to be using this cute 3D dragon. After clicking on it, navigate through the subcategories which has the quality, strength, speed, and more. Just simply click on the others option, scroll down, and we have another category called fuzzy skin. In here, you can simply choose between contour and whole. I suggest choosing the contour option. From here, you can simply also edit out the generator mode, and basically we have another presets like the fuzzy skin noise type, the point distance, and skin thickness. Now to view your fuzzy skin, you can then click on the slice plate, or you can simply click on the preview button to see what we'll end up with. And as you can see, it will then apply the fuzzy skin onto our 3D model. Of course, once again, you can edit this out if you want to. So maybe if you want to put something like 2 millimeters on the point distance and the skin thickness is going to be 1 millimeter, you can just click on the preview button once more and you will be able to see what you'll end up with. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.